Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are going to learn how we can actually extract the attachments from any incoming email to our shared mailbox. So why actually I thought to make this video, because in real time scenario, I got this scenario when one of my client asked me to create this flow so that he can extract out the invoices which are there in the shared mailboxes, and that can be stored in some central location at SharePoint with along with some metadata. So that's why I thought, like, if it's useful, it's a valid scenario for me, so it could be for you as well. So that's why I'm creating this video. So for first of all, like, I have to have the shared mailbox in place. So it's very quick to create any shared mailbox. So if you are not owner of your admin center, then probably you can request your admin team to create a shared mailbox for you, or you may be already having if that business is already in progress. So for me, I'm creating a shared mailbox over here. So I'm just saying that my product carrier mailbox, or so this product carrier mailbox would be carrying all the invoices. So I'll just copy the same stuff, and when I save changes, it creates a shared mailbox for me, and I have to add myself as a member of that mailbox so that I can do the operations. I just find out my name, so second one. So I am there as a shared mailbox member, right? So I'm done, and I'll just open the Outlook so that we can send out the emails to this shared mailbox. Now I'm going to my flow, because I'll be creating this entire process with flow, where I'll be using some actions to track the incoming emails and then create the item in this my product invoices list, and that item would be having attachments of those invoices. So I'll just create one flow, that is instant cloud flow. I can just skip that as well, and from here I'll just find out incoming email. So in trigger, I will type that email arrives, then I'll just see few options, action options, and I'll be choosing the action option of shared mailbox. So when I click on it, it will ask me to put the original mailbox address. So you can copy the mailbox address from here and then put the mailbox address in this text box. It will resolve it, and after that you can just select the folder name. So because we would be picking that from inbox, so I'm just okay. And in show advanced, you can just try with filters. For example, you only want the attachments to be processed, then you can simply say only with attachments, yes. Include attachment, yes. So I want to process the mailbox emails when it has the attachments only. So in the next step, I'll be creating one item in this list, and so that I can attach these attachment which I actually got from my previous step to that item. So I'll just use create item action, and in this create item I'll just make connection to my site and my list. So my site is this one, and the list name is product invoices. Yeah, and the title would be, I would be choosing that from subject of my email. And in the next step, I'll just use attachment action so that I can add that attachment from the email to this list item. In the list name, I'm just setting the again as product invoices, and ID would be the ID which we got from this create item step, and the file name would be which we get as an attachment name from our incoming email step, and as you see, like it actually binded that to with apply each, because the attachments can be multiple. And in the file content, I'll be just searching for attachment content. Now this new item got this attachment as well. So if I just save and name it, let's say product invoice career flow. So when I receive an email with attachment, then this flow would process that invoice, extract that attachment, and then bind that attachment with this item. So I'll just send out one email to that address, product career mailbox. I'll just say is invoice for laptops, and I'll just attach one attachment just to showcase that sales invoice PDF. Let's use this one, and when I send it, it should trigger our flow. I'll just go back to our flow to check whether it's running or not. So it may take a few seconds, we'll just wait. Okay, so it did run, and when I went into it, it passed all the steps, and I got this new item created as invoice for laptops, and when I click on it, I should see my attachment which was there in the incoming email. So we are done over here. So it's a very valid scenario where you have a lot of invoices coming to your shared mailboxes, and you want to manage all those invoices in a SharePoint list. Then need not to do anything manual, just create this simple 3-step flow which will do the processing for you. So I hope you may find this useful. So that's it for today. Thank you.